welcome to my channel. So my name is Keymee K. If this is your first time, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And thank you if you are returning. So this is going to be a hair install. This unit was sent to me from Domiso on Amazon. So thank you to them for sending me out this hair to review. So as you can see, it is going to be this pretty burgundy 99J lace front wig. It's a 13x4 lace front wig, so you have 3 combs on top, 1 comb in the back with the adjustable straps. It is going to be a deep wave lace front wig. It says that it's pre-plucked with baby hair, and it is glueless. It is the 24-inch and it's 150% density. So starting out, I am I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the lace. I've been doing this with all my units because it makes it easier for me to apply, especially with them having like the transparent lace. And then I'm gonna be applying my concealer on top. I'm using the Ruby Kisses Creator. It is the level 14, I do recall. So that's what it looks like once I have put that concealer on there. It looks really, really good. It looked really, really good. So I'm gonna go in with my Got to Be Glued freezing spray. I did a total of 3 sprays. So in between, I did use my hair dryer, and I did a total of 3. You will kind of see, this is my first time kind of doing 3. I usually do, I think, 1 or 2. I do 1 underneath and then 1 on top. So it did kind of look to me, I don't know if it's on camera it looked like that, but it did kind of get a little, you know how Got to Be Glued gets kind of shiny and then it has that white kind of cast. So it did to me look like I did have that white cast. So if you do see that, I applied 3 sprays. Just apply just 1 or 2, not all them sprays. So now I'm going to go ahead and just place this unit down like I said, and then I apply, see that's my 3rd spray right there. So I applied 2 on bottom and then the 1 on top. And I'm just going to do that on each side. I did do it 6 in my section so that it helped make it more easier. Especially with this, got the glue like running all over the face. After that, I did want this unit to be more plucked, so I'm going to go in and pluck the perimeter of the hair. It's plucked a little bit. It says it's pre-plucked. It's plucked a little bit, but it's not plucked to where I want to pluck that. And then I was trying to get away with not doing the baby hairs. I think I did a little bit of baby hairs, but not too much. But I wanted to look more on the natural side. So yeah, I'm just going in and plucking this unit. So you can see I plucked out quite a bit. So now that is what it is looking like. So now I'm just gonna go in on the bottom and apply some of the Got to Be Glued in the gel. Because I was plucking it, a lot of the lace did kind of come up. So I'm just putting that back down. I'm using the gel actually to put that back down. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cut those baby hairs down, and then use my Got to Be Glued to mold them down. Right there where you see the cap at, I did apply some more of that Ruby Kisses Creator on that, and then I did use the Got to Be Glued just to go on top of it. So the cap does go away. So to go over this unit, so when getting this unit, I did get some shedding, I did get tangling. In this video, you don't see me using any oil, but I did use like a hair moisturizer, and then I did also use some water. So you will see me use water, some argan oil, olive oil. No, argan. Oh my god, argan. I'm so used to using olive oil. I used the argan oil to put on the hair because I wanted to keep it kind of thick and curly. I didn't want it like too like defined. I like the poofiness and all that. So I'm just applying a little bit of water. But I did put some hair moisturizer. So when you get this unit, make sure to take it and deep condition it when you first get it, and make sure to let it sit there, condition, and then brush it out so that you can go ahead and get all those dead ends out, because I did have a lot of shedding. And then, like I said, towards the ends, I did have tangling. After I applied that hair moisturizer, you will see the hair the next day. I did show you right after I was done. This is right after I was done. And then you will see the next day after the hair has just kind of dried up and I didn't have any problems with it. So yeah, just applying some moisturizer or oil will do it for you. You can get this wig off Amazon. It is $184.99 if you want the 24-inch. They also have a 16-inch if you want that, and that is just $120. It is on Amazon. So, and they do have Prime on this wig. So yes, go ahead and check them out. I will leave a link down below on where you can purchase this unit at. Like, I love the freaking color. Love the color, and the density is nice, and then the length for it to be 24 inches is really nice, and just show the length, so it's not too much hair at all. So I will leave a link down below on where you can purchase this unit at, like I said. So make sure to give me a thumbs up. Any questions or comments, I always forget it is big head friendly. I always forget that. But yeah, any questions or comments, leave those down below. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.